BMW India has finally added the petrol variant of the 2 Series Gran Coupe in the country. The new BMW 220i has been launched at an introductory price of 40,90,000 rupees and comes in the attractive M Sport package. The new offering is locally assembled and packs a 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo petrol engine that develops 187 brake horsepower and 280 Nm of peak torque. Petrol mill is paired with an 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission with shift paddles. The petrol variant can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 7.1 seconds. The model retains the same exterior styling that includes the large kidney grille, frameless doors, LED headlights and 17-inch alloy wheels. The M Sport variant is available in two new exclusive colors, Misano Blue and Snapper Rocks. The 2021 Honda Africa Twin Adventure Tourer has been launched in India with prices starting at 15,96,000 rupees ex-showroom India. The new model is available only through Honda's premium Big Wing dealership network and will be offered in both manual and DCT automatic transmission variants. The full-size Adventure Tourer packs a 1084cc parallel twin engine that develops 98 brake horsepower and 103 Nm of peak torque. The bike comes with a lithium-ion battery that offers 1.6 times longer shelf life and 4 times longer durability. The motorcycle is underpinned by a bolt-on subframe and swing arm inspired from Honda's Dakar machines. The 2021 Africa Twin also packs a 6-axis inertial measurement unit that brings 7-level Honda selectable torque control, wheelie control, cornering ABS and rear lift control. The DCT variant also gets the corner detection feature. Other features include an adjustable windscreen, LED headlamps with DRLs, tubeless tires with spoked wheels, 6.5-inch TFT screen with Bluetooth connectivity, and more. Deliveries for the new Africa Twin will begin later in the year. Deliveries of the Aprilia SXR 160 have begun across India just days after the new scooter was launched in the country, priced at 1,26,000 rupees ex-showroom Delhi. The SXR 160 is the newest maxi-style scooter to go on sale in the country in over a decade and packs a bold design with large panels and a larger capacity 160cc engine that develops 10.8 brake horsepower and 11 Nm of peak torque. The scooter has been designed for enhanced comfort and cruising and comes with features like twin LED headlamps with DRLs, digital instrument console, single-channel ABS, lockable glove box with USB charging and optional Bluetooth connectivity. The SXR 160 does not have a direct rival in the segment at the moment.
If you like that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.